Welcome to video number 2, the May 2013 first year past paper, and you'll notice I've made a mistake straight away because I didn't read the question properly. Okay, the average guest eats 3 sausages at a barbecue. That means if you've got 2 people there, they're going to eat 6 sausages. 10 people, they're going to eat 30 sausages, and so on. Morrison sell the sausages in packs of 10, and the bread buns come in packs of 6. If I invite 18 people to a barbecue, how many packs of sausages should I buy? That implies I need to know how many sausages I need. 18 people, each of whom eats 3 sausages. 18 times 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 3s are 1, add the 2 makes 5. Sorry, 3 3s are 3, add the 2 makes 5. So I need 54 sausages. Morrison sell the sausages in packs of 10. I'll need 6 packs then, won't I? Answer, 6 packs. I buy just the right amount of bread buns. Each pack costs £1.15. How much do I spend on bread buns? Okay, we're going to have to assume that everyone has 1 sausage and 1 bread bun, I suppose, because I'm needing these 54 sausages in buns. So I need 54 buns. They come in packs of 6. 54 divided by 6 is 9, so I need 9 packs. Each pack costs £1.15. Interesting typo there. So actually what I'm doing is 1.15 multiplied by 9. 9 5s, 45. 9 1s, 9. Add the 4, 13. Carry the 1. 9 1s are 1. Add the 1, 10. 2 decimal places in question. 2 in answer. £10.35. Stop. Have a think. Does it make sense that if I'm buying 9 packs of something just over £1, it's costing me just over £10? Yes. If this had gone £103.50, I've probably got my maths wrong, rather than buying the most expensive bread buns in the world. Okay, £10.35. Lastly, if this had said 10.30, my answer needs to be 10.30 because I'm dealing with money. So I don't put 10.3 at the end. That would be wrong. Anyway, next question. Straight lines. Diagram shows a coordinate grid on which a point is marked a point P. That's this point here. And lines 1 and 2. Write down the coordinates of the point P. Okay. Here's my x-axis. From 0, 0, I'm going 2 to the left. I'm going minus 2. Remember, we always go along first. And I'm going down 4. My coordinate is minus 2, comma, minus 4 in brackets. That's P. Write down the equation of line 1. That's this one here. Okay, this is one of the special equations. Look, because every point on it has x values and y values which are the same. I think that's gone a little bit dodgy in photocopying, but I think that's meant to be 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, etc., which denotes the line y equals x. Lastly, write down the equation of line 2. Okay, this is a line 2 here, and it's joining all those points whose y value is 4. So 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, etc. This is the line where all the y values are 4. Final answer, y equals 4. Good-o. Fractions, we can do this. 48 out of 200. Simplest simplification happens in 2s. That's the same as 24 out of 100. Still 2s. That's the same as 12 out of 50. Still 2s. That's the same as 6 out of 25. Still... no. That's as far as we go. 6 out of 25. Convert 3 2/5 into an improper fraction. That means a top-heavy fraction. So the number on the top needs to be bigger than the number on the bottom. How to do this is 3 multiplied by 5, add 2 lots of fifth. And we remember that's because we're saying I've got 3 whole bits. 1, 2, 3, and 2/5 of a bit. So, not ideal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each of these 3 things has been chopped into fifths, giving me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I have 17 fifths. But as I said at the beginning, rather than have to draw out circles each time, which you can do, that's absolutely fine, we say there's 3 lots of 5, that gives me my 15, and 2 fifths to go as well, so that's 17, fifths. Final answer, 17 over 5. Work out 7 ninths of 63. Well, let's work out what 1 ninth is. 63 divided by 9. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 7 sevens are 49. So 1 ninth is 7, and I need 7 ninths. So I'm doing 7 sevens. 7 sevens being 49. Work out 5 sevenths plus 9 21, 9 21sts, 21ths, whatever you want to say, and give your answer as a mixed number. Mixed number means have the big number at the front and followed it by a fraction. Can't do this, not allowed to do this, because I do not have a common denominator. Remember, from adding fractions, this is one of the more difficult things. Division and multiplication are easy, but adding, got to be careful. So, I need the same denominator. In fact, it is 21, because 7's going to 21. Don't be duped into doing 7 times 21 to get a massive denominator. You don't need to do that. But I've multiplied 7 by 3 to get 21, so I must also multiply 5 by 3 to get 15. So now I've got an equivalent fraction here. 15 21s is the same as 5 sevenths. I haven't changed anything, apart from how it looks. I've still got these 9 21s. If I add 21ths to 21ths, I get 21ths. I don't get 42ths. 15 plus 9 makes 24. As a mixed number, I've got 21 21s to make one whole one, and I've got 3 21s remaining. Now hang on, that could actually be simplified, couldn't it? So that's the same as 1 and 1/7. Final answer, 1 and 1/7. Here we go. If I have written 7 out of 20 reports for a first year class, what percentage, let's read the question properly, do I have left? It's even put it in italics for us, it's clearly a thing. So 7/20ths are done. I have written 7 out of 20. Woohoo! Which means I've got 13 out of 20 remaining. Boo hiss. Now, 13 out of 20 as a percentage. Percent, remember, means out of 100. Can I write that number out of 100? Using equivalent fractions? Well, 20s into 100 go 5 times, so I've multiplied the bottom by 5, multiplied the top by 5, gives me 65. Remember, do 5 10s, get you 50, 5 3s get you 15, add them together. So 13 20ths is the same as 65 out of 100, which as a percentage is 65%. And I read the question carefully. An exam paper is out of 150 marks. If a pupil scores 90 marks, what percentage is this? 90 out of 150. Well, I can see how this might appear tricky. We need to get 100 on the bottom, don't we, to use the same logic as before. So dividing by 10 straight away doesn't really help us because we get 9 15ths, and it's not easy to see 15ths into 100. However, what you can hopefully see is that 150 to 100, well, 100 is 2/3 of 150. So I need a number which is 2/3 of 90. Answer being 60. So I've got 60%. Now that's a kind of spotting it answer. I suppose other ways would be to say, well, do that simplification, get to 9 out of 15 and think, well, that's no good. But that simplifies further, which if I go with 3s, that's 3/5. Okay, right, now let's multiply up again. 5s into 100 happen 20 times. 3 times 20 is 60. Sure enough, we get 60%. Use your protractor to measure angle ACB. Okay, I'm going to come clean, I do not have my protractor, but angle ACB is this one here, because it's the angle I get if I move from A to the point C and out to the point B. You then put your protractor on the line, measure it, and off we go.